Hello guys, it's Lethal Lizard right here, and welcome back to another video. Now, here's the thing. You may notice I'm not on Java Edition today, and you'll also notice, wow, why has he got all this around the screen? That's because I'm not actually doing like a Minecraft gameplay video, mod showcase. Instead today, I'm showing you guys how to do custom trades on Minecraft Bedrock Edition for your server. Now, if you don't know how to set up a free Minecraft server, I will leave a link in the description down below to the two videos that I watched, which allowed me to set it up and invite my friends to come play, like this guy right here, Turtles. Now, I'll leave those videos down below, and you guys can click on them and you can watch them, and whoa, you can play with your friends. Now, this only works on Windows 10 edition, because that's what we need to run the server on, and without that, you ain't got a server to do the custom trades on, so, yeah. But if you do have a PC, you can set it up on that, and then you can just play on you can just play on, you know, the Xbox One edition or any of that, because actually leave another video in the description where you can do all that. As long as you have a PC, you can do it. Okay. I watched those two videos, and they're the ones that helped me do it, set up the server, and it was pretty amazing. So that's why I grabbed the bed. So first, I'm going to show you guys some of the custom trades I've already implemented into the game. I'm set at a spawn point. That's in my home. I don't want to go away. So, as you can see, these are not your usual trades, okay? That's a little too OP. I'm changing that. I've changed that. This hasn't updated. Now, a pig. Since when could you buy a pig spawn egg? Since today. Now, this only works with the villager that you choose for it to work on. We all agreed that the wandering trader was kind of useless. Like all the trades, I don't really care about those. So, sorry, dude, but they're all gone. And I just added these ones. So a scoot for like 3, blah blah. Now, you'll notice I have 2 extra, that's for a different reason. Now, to do this, you need to A, set up the server so you can access all the files more easily. And B, you'll need and that's pretty much actually all you need. But I'm going to recommend something else which is going to make the job 10 times easier. And that is Visual Studio. Now, you don't actually have to pay for this, despite what you may believe. So if I go here, Visual Studio, down at Visual Studio, if you click on Community 2018 instead of like the Enterprise or Professional, click on it, just go down. Yeah, there you go. That's it already starting to download. Set the download thing. It's like, thank you, download Visual Studio. Okay, it's already started downloading like the installer for it. But I already have it, so that's not really a problem. Now, I'm going to close that down. I really hope I saved, otherwise I'm actually just going to have to do a whole bunch of other coding again. Oh well. Alright, so, you go to your files. Now, if you followed the video like directly, you'll go to your local disk, MCBE play, BDS, here, then you click on Baby Packs, and you'll find these 4 files right here. These are the ones you need to worry about. Vanilla, 1.14, 1.15, 1.16, and then just plain old vanilla. Now, the files 1.16 will overwrite the files from vanilla. Okay, so if you put them in here, so here trading, economy trades, if you put something in here, it will be overwritten by the trade in here. Okay, so keep that in mind. You need, whatever you do to the other one, you'll need to do to this one. I'm not sure it's vice versa. I don't think it is, but just keep that in mind. Now, 1.16 trading, economy trades, and then find your villager that you want to add a trade to, or alter the trade, or completely just delete the trades if you want to. Okay, find them. Could be the armor, butcher, cartographer, cleric, whatever. We're going to focus on the wandering trader because those are the ones we chose to do it with. Okay, once you go to Visual Studio, you'll see all this code. Now depending on your knowledge of code and like programming, this may look confusing, but it's really not. Now, up here's a tiers list, groups list. Do not change any of that. Do not touch it. This number right here, only this number, is one of the things that you can change up here. Okay. That is how many trades will be displayed. So, if I change just say 5 or 6 or 7, that will choose a random whatever and one number from the list of trades I have. Now, I only have 5 trades set up, so I'm going to change that to 5, but I'm going to add another one in this video, so we'll change that to 6 just for the video. Okay. So, you'll see like right here, max use is 8. Now that is how many times you can trade with a villager before it will not let you do it anymore. Okay. So, then this is the wants protocol here. So, something you should keep in mind is see brackets. Every time there's an open bracket, you have to have a close bracket for that one. So if I zoom in here, you'll be able to see it more easily. If I click on this curly bracket right here, the other one that it's closing this will be highlighted. Keep that in mind, it will help you so much. So, click on this. This is all one argument, okay? This is the wants section. So, for this particular trade, it wants an item. That item is Minecraft Emerald, and the amount that it wants is 20. Copy this word for word if you want the emerald, but if you say you don't want emerald, say you want diamonds, simply get rid of the emerald, type in diamond, you're set. Say you want to do 10 diamonds instead of 20, 10, you're set. That's literally all you have to do, and you'll be fine. Do not go changing anything else unless you're confident in what you're doing, okay? Then down here, you'll put a comma. Now this is only if you want a second item. If you don't want a second item, I'll show that down here. But if you want a second item in your trade, so for example, if I go back into Minecraft here, you'll see for the trident, it wants 20 emeralds and 5 prismarine shards. Now go here, you'll see emerald, prismarine shard. So put the comma. That shows if there's a comma, the code is expecting, the game is expecting something to follow it in the same category of wants. So we do that. Exact same things here. Just if you just wanted to, Control C and then just do Control V. Boom. Then you can just edit the emerald, edit the quantity, and you're done. Okay. Then once you do that, do this. Okay. That will end that argument of the want section. Okay. You're done with what you want to give the trader in exchange. Now. Down here, you'll see this is called gives. Now this is what the trader will actually give you, hence gives, in exchange for whatever it is, you're giving them. So, this is very, very simple. Just go curly brackets, item, Minecraft Shrine. Simple as that. Now if you don't know what the actual, stuff it is, like Minecraft Shrine, blah, blah, go here, do slash, give, knock the deck because someone else in the game, make a lizard, and then do trident. Whatever that is, that's what you do. So, okay, or prismarine shard. Again, does that Minecraft colon, then type that in, okay? Now, the reason for the underscore is you cannot have spaces in whatever it is you're looking for, okay? For example, leafy lizard, it's in quotation marks, so it knows this is all one thing, okay? So, I'm just going to hop back over on Visual Studio. Trying gives, now this is where the highlighting comes in handy. Now, you'll see this shows these brackets here are the section of the item. This one is the section of, like these, it's just kind of open, open, close, close, okay? For every open bracket, there will be a close bracket, okay? And this section's off the entire thing, okay? So these section off the items it's going to give you, this section's off the individual item, and this section's off the trade, okay? Now, if I go down to the bottom here, you'll see that the final trade here does not, this curly bracket, right, as you can see right here, has a comma at the end. This one down here, no comma at the end of this curly bracket. That's because it's the final trade in the list, okay? When it's the final one, you do not put a comma because there's nothing that's supposed to come after it, okay? So now I'm going to move on to the next one. Max uses again, just 8, 20 emeralds. We're actually going to change that to 5, so each one can give you 1 piece. Okay. Wants, Minecraft Emerald, quantity 20. Simple as that. Exact same thing. But instead this time, you'll notice this has no comma, whereas up here it did. Again, it's because you're not expecting anything else, it's only the one trade. As you can see, it only wants one thing. There's no secondary item, it wants an exchange. Okay, gives, open the command, the item, Minecraft, turtle underscore shell underscore piece. So you see, in game it is called a scoot. So if I go to here and let's go search SCE, it's called a scoot. Okay, click here, it'll say scoot. That's not what it says in the code. That's because each one has its own individual item name. So again, go here slash give lizard. Then if I type in scoot, nothing will appear. Nothing will appear. Okay? Turtle underscore shell underscore piece. That is what you need to type in instead, okay? Very handy to do that, okay? Close that off. That's close off the give section. Closes off the trade, and that's that sorted. Now, if you just copy exactly what I put in that, you can work it out for yourself and then edit these just to make things more easy yourself. Now, if you want all of your trades that you've put in to appear, change that to whatever number of the trades you've done. So say you only have 2, change that to 2. Only have, say, you have 10, change that to 10. Now, if you've done 10 trades, but you only want 5 to actually appear in the villager, change that to 5. Only 5 of them will actually show up, okay? And that'll be you set, okay? Now, we're going to go down here to the... Now, this is where things get slightly more confusing, okay? Now, this is for a spawn egg, okay? Now, things get confusing here for, like, no real reason, but they're confusing. Okay? Now, again, max use is 1, because I only want this to be used once, okay? Once, only used once. What am I saying there? Once, that's the item that it wants. Oh my god, that rain. Am I able to... Can I sleep? Can I sleep? I can. Save you sleeps. I can't see him. You know what? I'm just going to leave this. I do not need to be sitting in this role here. I'm done. Okay. Now, wants the item that it wants. Okay? Very simple. Wants 64 emeralds. Okay? Comma. Means it wants something else. Again, 64 emeralds. Okay? So that's for over 128 emeralds for a single egg. Okay? So, you go down here. Okay? That section's off the want section. Gives. Now, the only confusing thing about this is because it's a spawn egg, okay? Same thing happens with books or anything that has a general thing, but it's got its own individual subcategories, you know? So, Minecraft's got a spawn egg, you got the general spawn eggs, and then in those you have the, let's say, the pig, the creeper, the skeleton, the zombie, etc. Okay? So now, that is when it's going to have to go into not just the individual items folder, it's going to go into the functions folder, okay? And then it's going to go into another thing called function. It's going to find the function called set data. It's going to go to data here. It's going to go find the data, the data with the ID of 12. That is a pig spawn egg. As you can see in the game, I had a pig spawn egg. I'm not going to load it up because it's probably still raining, but I'll see if he slept or something. He is not, but real quick, pig spawn egg. And you see, I cannot use that trait again. That's because it was set up to only be used once. There is a reason for that. Okay? That's just our individual stuff. We don't want it to be used multiple times. Like say here, this is one's for a spider, so I haven't implemented it yet, but I will. I'm going to eventually. I can set up to 100, so you can buy 100 of them as long as you had enough emeralds. Okay? But we don't want that. So, okay. So, max uses 1 wants. That's the wants category. What gives? It's really very, very simple once you wrap your head around it. But here's the biggest thing I will tell you, which will majorly help you when you're trying to do this. Okay? If you don't understand what you're supposed to type, like there's something I haven't covered in this video, and you want to do it, for example, enchanted books, go here. Okay? Find the person who sells the books, which is the librarian. Double click on it. It'll open up the librarian's code. Go through until you find the book, Minecraft book, that's not it, enchant book for trading, okay? That is the enchanted book, it is the one it wants, so base cost is 2, that is how much XP, you don't need to worry about that, that's just on the individual stuff, all the other villagers. That's why using the water trader, it's much simpler because you don't need to level up to get it all, but again, all that, okay? Functions, Minecraft book, functions, enchant book for trading. Okay. Good enough. Go in here, find whatever it is you want. Book, quantity 4, price multiplier. Yep, again, if you wanted to have a price multiplier, okay? Depending on how many of the bot, 0.05. Go in here, you can find that, you can type it in. Easy enough. Okay? So again, I'm just going to show another thing. Say there's a cleric, you want to find, oh, I'm not sure what to go into, you go in here, and you can just, if you're confused, you find, as long as you know the general thing you want category, open bracket, close bracket. So as said, if you're unsure about, if you want to change the wants, go here, copy, Control C, go into the one you want to put it into, and then Control V. Just go like that, Control V. Simple as that, and you will be sorted. Now, this is meant to just be a small short video, but I've kind of gone through things a lot, because it is complicated for someone who doesn't understand a lot to do with programming. I've spent quite a few years on it, because I'm like only 16, so I'm still in school when I did programming, so, you know. But I have a little bit of experience, not at all as like good enough to, oh, I can make my own game and all, but I have enough to know that close brackets always have, open brackets always have close bracket, general knowledge of like spaces and all, you know. It's just a skill you develop over time of just having to constantly rewrite code. Now, if there's anything like, say there's another trade you're having specific difficulty with, so if I were to do one trade in here that does not make sense, I could have 100 trades here that all work, but one of them then have another one which just doesn't work. Like say I've left out an A in Minecraft there, that individual problem will mean that I'm literally incapable of doing any of the trades. It will just be blank for all of them. So back. Now this is why I want you to use Visual Studio. Okay. Now yes, technically you can go here, Fisherman, click Open With, open Notepad, and then you can still edit it. But the reason why I highly recommend Visual Studio for this is because if I were to go to, let's say, here, just this simple, go to that bracket, it will say that there was an issue. And it will say, and if I click on it, it will show me where that issue is, okay? And again, just look at that, oh, that's got a closed bracket. This has no, this is one down there. That doesn't make sense. Oh, does it? Hold on. I don't even know what I changed. Hold on. Oh yeah, no, that makes sense. Yeah, that should be there. Okay? Simple. Get rid of it. We'll say the issue. Oh no. Put it in. You're good to go. It doesn't have to be in major. See this colon here. If I were to change this, and if I didn't tap the shift button to type that, and I put in a semicolon, the whole thing is messed up. Okay? Click on this. It'll show me, hey, this line here, it's got something wrong with it. Then I can fix it. Okay? So get Visual Studio. It is great for this. And then, as I showed you down here, now for the servers, you actually need to restart it for the thing you did to take place, like take effect. So this one here was the spider. Okay, I showed you before, it was not there. I'm gonna go to this. Now this is the menu. You'll see that if you follow the link in the descriptions, you know, guide the, hey, how do I do the server? Okay, it stopped it, busy, running, idle. Okay, click on Minecraft, go down to the SMP that we have, join server. My friend has left it apparently. Oh, hello. Now, earlier you'll notice this guy had the pig, all that stuff. Now, if I click on him here, he has the spider. Okay. Now, it sometimes won't always appear. Sometimes you'll have to actually kill him and then bring another one back. You know, which is simple. Just do that. Kill that guy. Find another one in the wild or something. Obviously, if you actually need the trades, you'll probably be in survival mode. But again, just click on him. Da-da-da. Spider. Whoa. Trade. Now you can spawn a spider. See if he has anything to say. Okay, the fact he's... I'm gonna have to try to blur that out, aren't I? I don't know how to blur that out. I'm just gonna type what I actually did in the video. Right, so there you have it. Custom training. Sorry the video was like 24 minutes long, but I hope it explained literally everything you have to know about it. And if there is something you don't know, just, you know, leave a comment. I don't have many people watching me, so I'll definitely see your comment. I literally have like one person subscribing who I don't actually know in real life, and that's very upsetting. But leave a comment. I'll see it. I'll definitely 100% see it, and I will 100% respond to your comment, either with a long text thing, or if that isn't how you learn, I'll make a separate unlisted video and I'll send you the link for it, and then you can watch it. I'll explain everything for you. Okay? Well, thank you guys for watching. Click the like and subscribe button. I'm probably going to make a couple videos on this survival server, because I have done a little bit of it myself already. I've got my own little house down here. Okay, I'm in creative right now because of the sake of the video, you know, I kinda gotta be. But this little house, because went to the nether, and I thought it was cool. So, and my friends, they're all off like thousands of blocks away doing their own thing. We'll probably all meet up at some point to do something. I don't know. Might. Probably will. So, yeah, I'll do a couple videos on the server with the custom trades. I'm gonna have a whole bunch more. I'm gonna have like a whole like shop economy system going on with like the books and all. So like, subscribe if you want to see more. You know, even if you don't want to see more, just click the subscribe button as if this video helped you, and just turn off notifications. Okay? So that means it helps me. You guys don't have to watch any more of my content. Okay? Because I'm not even gonna lie, my videos usually suck like hell. And this part one also probably will. But please, please. Okay, bye.